Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how you can convert decimal to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to decimal. So before converting, there are some points that you have to keep in your mind that is similar in decimal and hexadecimal is, as decimal is the number system with base 10 and hexadecimal is the number system with base 16. So in in decimal we have the numbers from 0 to 9, and in hexadecimals we have the same numbers. This is in case of decimal, and in hexadecimal we have the numbers from 0 to 9, similar as in case of decimal, but after 9 there is a replacement of the numbers with the alphabets. How? Let's see. After 9 we have 10, that is equals to A in hexadecimal. Then we have 11, that is equals to B in hexadecimal. Then we have 12, that is equals to C. Then 13, that is equals to D. Then 14, that is equals to E. Then 15, that is equals to F. So till 15 the decimal and hexadecimals are represented like this. So decimal is from 0 to 9, and after that we have the replacements with the alphabets in case of hexadecimal. After 15, if you came across 16, then you have to convert that into the hexadecimal. That is, if you are in decimal and you have to convert into hexadecimal, and if you have 16, then you have to convert it using a method. Now what method we will see later, but before this you have to keep in your mind, in decimal and hexadecimal number from 0 to 9 are same, and after that the 10 of the decimal will be equal to A of hexadecimal, 11 is equals to B, 12 equals to C, and so on. And after that 16 we have to convert it into the hexadecimal by using a specific method. Let's see. The method of converting the number, that is the decimal number, into hexadecimal after 15 is you have to do a repeated division by the number 16, because we are going to convert into hexadecimal, that is a base 16 system. So how we can do it? Let's see. We have to do a repeated division like 5, 0, 1, and we have to do the repeated division by 16 because we are going to convert into hexadecimal. So 16 3s are 48, 16 3s are 48, then 21, then 16 1s are 16, and what is the remainder? Remainder is 5. We will write remainder here. Then again we have to divide by 16, as 16 1s are 16, as we can't take 16 to that will be greater than 31. Then what will be the remainder? The remainder will be 15. Now how we have to record it? We have to record it like this, as we usually do in case of binary. So what we will get is the number like 1, 15 and 5. Now we have to write it in decimal form. As I have already told you that 15 is equals to F. So we have to replace the 15 by F. So what we will get is 1 will be as it is, as in decimal and hexadecimal 1 to 0 to 9 all the digits are same, so 1 will remain the same, 15 will be F, and 5 will remain the same. So 1F5 16. This is the required answer. That is, we have converted the number 501 in decimal to hexadecimal, that is 1F5. Now let's move towards the next number, one more number. How you can convert that? You have to do the same method of repeated division. So we have now 4, 2, 5, 3. Keep this in mind. You have to do the repeated division, that is for converting decimal to hexadecimal when you have a number greater than 15. So repeated division by what? By 16. So we'll have 16 2s are 32, then 10 remainder, then 10 105, then 16 6 are 96, and what remainder? Remainder will be 93. So for 93 we will do 16 5s are 80, and the remainder will be 13. Then again we have to do the repeated division by 16. So 16 1s are 16, then 105, then again 16 6s are 96, and the remainder is 9. Again we have to do the repeated division by 16. 16 1s are 16, and the remainder is 0. So how we have to record it? We have to record it like this, and what we will get is, we will get 1 0 9 and 13. Now keep this in mind. What you have to do, you have to replace the 13 by what? You have to replace the 13 by D, and the remaining numbers will be as it is. That is 1, 0, 9 and D. Because I have already told you that till 9 the number in decimal and hexadecimal will remain same, so you don't need any conversion. After that you have to do the conversion. This is hexadecimal. So this is how you can do the conversion from decimal to hexadecimal. Now we move towards the hexadecimal to decimal. For hexadecimal to decimal, the method is very simple. Let's start. As the base is 16, so what we have to do? We have to write the base first, that is 16, and the power of 16 will be what? We have to write down the location of the numbers of the given hexadecimal number. This is at 0 location, this is at 1, this is at 2 and this is at 3. So we have to do the 16 raised to power to the location of the given numbers. So first we will write this 3. 16 raised to power 3 multiply by the number at this location, that is 1. Then we have to do what? Plus. Then next location is 2. So again we have to do 16 raised to power 2 multiply by the number at that location, that is 0. Plus again we have to do what? 16 to the power this location, that is 1 multiply by the number at this location, that is 9. Plus the last one is 16 raised to power 0, that is the location at this point, multiplied by the number at that location, that is D. Or you can say that you have to replace the D with 13. You can also say this is 13. So you can multiply it with 13. Then we have to simplify it further. 16 raised to power 3 is 4096 plus 16 raised to power 2 into 0 will be 0 plus 16 into 9 is 144 plus 16 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 into 13 is 13. So what we will get is 4253. So this is the decimal equivalent of the given hexadecimal number, and it is exactly the same the example that we have done here. So these are same. So it is verified that the answer is correct. Now we have another example. In that example, again what we have to do, we have to write the location of the number 0, 1 and 2. Then we have to do what? We have to take 16. Then the power of 16 will be the location 2 multiply by the value at that location 1 plus 16 power 1, that is location, multiplied by f. F is 15. You can also write 15 plus 16 raised to power 0 into 5. So what we will get is 16 square is 256 plus 16 into f. 16 into f means 16 into 15 will be 240 plus 16 raised to power 0 is 1 plus 5. So 256 plus 240 plus 5 will be 501. This is the decimal equivalent of the number, the hexadecimal number 1F5. So this is how you can convert a decimal to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to decimal. So that's all from today's lecture. Thank you.